The Joint Committee of Parliament has accepted the Waqf draft report, with 14 votes against 11. The opposition members have been asked to submit their dissent notes by 4 p.m. today. The Waqf meeting has ended in the national capital. Let's listen in to the reactions coming in, and my colleague Vasudha Venugopal joins me for more.
आज की बैठक में मैं सभी अपने जेपीसी मेंबर्स को धन्यवाद देता हूं कि जिस तरह से इस ज्वाइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी ऑन वक्फ जो स्पीकर साहब ने हमें मैंडेट दिया था, उसमें वाकई सभी ने पिछले 6 महीने से लगातार बैठकों में साथ दिया। बैठकों में डिटेल डेलिब्रेशंस हुआ, डिस्कशंस हुआ और डिस्कशंस के बाद आज फाइनली आज जो जेपीसी की ड्राफ्ट रिपोर्ट थी और जेपीसी का जो क्लॉज बाय क्लॉज जो हम लोगों ने 27 तारीख को हमारे 14 क्लॉजेज में अमेंडमेंट्स हुए थे, उसका एक अमेंडेड जो बिल था दोनों को मेजॉरिटी के साथ अडॉप्ट किया।
As usual, in hurried manner, the draft report has been adopted in the ratio of 16-11. Last night by 9:50, we received the draft report. How chairman expected that within overnight we can give the dissent note. In spite of that, we worked something and we submitted our dissent note. Some of the people yet to submit the dissent note. I think that we know that government will not hear our dissent note. All these documents were properly, legibly and diligently filed by us, not for this JPC. It is meant for Supreme Court.
I have given my dissent note. On behalf of Trinamool Congress, both myself and Mr. Nazimul Haq, the observation and recommendation of the committee are wholly perverse. Perverse why? Number one, statements of the witnesses have not been taken into consideration. What we have said during the course of the deliberation, that have not been taken into consideration. Now the question therefore arises is whether the stakeholders' view or our view which we have expressed or the witnesses' view which have been expressed time to time, whether that, why did it not appeal to the chairman?
जितने भी प्रोसीडिंग्स अब तक चले उसके बहुत सारे जो डिस्कशन उसमें हुआ था, बहुत सारे सजेशंस जो आए थे, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सजेशन जो आए थे, उसको इसमें इंक्लूड नहीं किया गया। ये तमाम विरोध के बावजूद सरकार अपनी मनमर्जी की है, अपने हिसाब से इस रिपोर्ट बनवाई है, अपने हिसाब से छोटे मोटे लिपापति करके कुछ अमेंडमेंट्स की है। यहाँ पे देखा गया पहली बार कि एक अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट्स लाए गए हैं, माइनॉरिटी के राइट्स का हनन हुआ है और ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में जो माइनॉरिटीज को जो राइट्स दिया गया था उसके खिलाफ में ये अमेंडमेंट्स लाया गया है।
Well, the JPC on Waqf committee met today probably for the last time to accept the report that was circulated amongst its 31 MPs yesterday. Of course, after a lot of stormy meetings that the JPC committee has had, the report was finally accepted today by the committee. But remember that the MPs from the opposition parties have raised concerns that their voice was not heard. 14 changes have been made to the final draft of the Waqf bill, and these changes include the fact that the collector will not be solely responsible for conducting inquiries into Waqf conflicts. It will be somebody, he will be an officer who is nominated by the state government. This was something that the TDP had asked. Also, this bill will not be applied retrospectively, that's on Waqf by user. This will be something that will come into force only after the bill is passed. Also, the fact that the mutawlis or the Waqf managers will be given 6 months to update the details of the properties on the portal that will be started by the centre. So these are certain changes that have been brought in. There are also concessions that have been given to the Dawoodi Bohra community. So clearly 14 changes, key changes have been made, but opposition has had raised several other concerns which have not been accepted, and today is a day that the opposition MPs will be submitting the dissent notes. TMC has already done this. TMC MPs Kalyan Banerjee and Nazimul Haq have already submitted the dissent notes in which they say that the party opposes the bill in its entirety and that it goes against the concept of federalism that is enshrined in the constitution, and also goes against the rights of the Muslims, because Article 26 of the Indian Constitution gives the minority community the right to manage and run their own institutions. Also remember that the new bill will also allow for non-Muslim members as part of the higher councils of Waqf. So clearly many changes in there. This is a contentious bill, and but remember the BJP also has a majority in the committee, so it would be cleared very soon with regard to voting. But till 4 p.m. is when the opposition MPs can give their dissent notes.